welcome back to my channel. So today we are continuing the Midway at home series for the Calgary Stampede. Today is definitely a healthier day. We've gone through some deep fried stuff so far. We're feeling pretty bloated by this time of Stampede. It's hot on the grounds, so we want to get something healthy, right? First thing we're going to be making today is caramel candy apples. This is definitely one of my favorite things that I get at the Midway at Stampede because caramel is definitely tricky to make. You need a candy thermometer, it's very finicky, it can burn really easy. So I was able to find a recipe that actually only uses 3 ingredients and it's so simple. So I'm really excited to try it out and see how these candy apples turn out. If they taste like the ones at Stampede, I'm going to be doing a Skor one because that's usually what I get. But there's lots of different toppings. You could do peanuts, you could do Oreos I've seen before, popcorn. So I definitely think some of those variations would be yummy. But for this video, I'm just going to be doing a Skor caramel apple. But when the caramel is wet still, you can just roll it in whatever you'd like. The next healthy thing I'm going to be making is actually healthy. Not like the other things I've been telling you are healthy. It is actually healthy. It's fruit. So the next thing we are going to be making is this watermelon drink I love to get at Stampede. It is half a watermelon blended up with ice and poured back in. It is so refreshing, it's so good on a hot day, and it's definitely going to be needed for this summer. So I'm going to show you guys how to make both of those recipes today, and I hope that they turn out well. I will be uploading every day until July 12th, the day that Stampede would have been ending. So definitely hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell for you to get notified every time I upload. So let's get to the kitchen and start making these healthy treats.
It's 1 a.m. and I ain't tired. I can stand right here and talk all night if you want. I ain't got no place to be, no one's waiting for me. I won't lie, I'm into you. Got like a million ideas what we could do. Cause I'm not gonna let you slip away, I won't waste this. There's something about the way you fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turned up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love? When you talk or listen close, there's just something about your voice. I think that every word you say to me is like poetry. I just want you for my own. It's really easy to tell that you're the best girl I've ever known. I'm not gonna waste this. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turned up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love?
Hey guys, okay, we're back. I'm so excited for these. It took everything in me not to try them before I got on camera with you guys. So first up, I think I'm going to do the caramel apple. Oh, this was so easy to make, as you guys saw. 3 ingredients. Like, I love that. I've seen so many recipes that they require corn syrup, brown sugar, they require like just so many ingredients and you have to watch it. This was really easy. So we put the leftover caramel in the fridge, and then when we want to warm it up tomorrow, we can just warm it up and spoon it on apples. It's going to be amazing. So I am so excited. Like I said, I did this one in Skor. So you can roll this in anything when the caramel is still soft. I definitely should have let this sit in the fridge a little bit more, but I was just too excited. I've been looking forward to eating a caramel apple for so long. So this is like my favorite part at Stampede is this little shelf. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like a little shelf of all the caramel and all the toppings get stuck on this like inch. I love that, but I'm gonna go in for the apple. Oh my god. It's like I'm at BMO, but with less like skincare people trying to touch me, you know? Definitely chewy. The caramel is the kind of caramel that gets like a little bit stuck in your teeth, but I enjoy that. I don't mind it. I love it with green apples. Some people do red, but I like that the green is a little bit a sour taste to it. The Skor crunchy, it needs something crunchy. Roll it in something crunchy. Popcorn, pretzels, peanuts, anything crunchy. It definitely will get stuck in your teeth. I think I'm gonna cut it. It's usually easier to eat when you cut it because it's super hard to eat like this. As you can see. It does get stuck in your teeth. Just know that. If you had dentures, your dentures would definitely just come out with the apple. And they're gonna be the new topping on your apple. So if you have dentures, think about that. But it's not gonna break your tooth. It's not that kind of caramel. I love it. I'm gonna go for this little shelf here, which is just caramel. And just Skor. Healthy, remember? This is a good apple. Another variation of the caramel apple that I saw on the Stampede website for Midway Food was they actually cut up the pieces of apple, poured the caramel on top, and put whipped cream. But I didn't want to do that one just because the apple would have turned brown by the time I could film. I definitely think another good topping for this would be chocolate covered pretzels. If you put it with this caramel, that would be delicious. I'm gonna take one more bite here because it's so good. That is so good. It has to be a green apple. Put a green apple. Don't put red. I don't like green apples regularly, like by themselves, but it needs to be a little bit tart to put up with the very, very sweet caramel. Sometimes you have to chew like that to get the caramel out of your teeth. This is definitely a hit. I will be making this again. And super easy. Like, it maybe took me 10 minutes to make caramel. Dip it. You're done. The next thing we're going to be trying is the watermelon drink. I'm so excited. It's definitely not easy to transport around, even when you're not at Stampede. It's not easy to transport around, but it's delicious. So I'm going to be using my Jeffree Star metal straw to taste this out. It definitely depends on your watermelon if you need to add sugar. I didn't need to add sugar, but oh my gosh, this is so good. Oh my gosh. It's so sweet. It is so sweet. Oh my gosh. You definitely don't need to pour it in here. This is for aesthetic reasons. Even in Stampede, it's kind of awkward to walk around the Midway and you're like holding this massive thing. So you can put this in a cup, put some more ice in. It's really good cold. This is super cold. Like, it has ice in it. My nephew loves watermelon and he would love this. This is amazing. Try this. Blend up some watermelon with some ice, pour it back in here, sit on your patio and feel like you're on vacation, because that's what this makes me feel like. Even if you need one of these, if you're in Calgary, let me know. I will bring you one of these. This just tops it off, you know? Like, I'm in Hawaii right now, but like, I'm in Stampede. The pineapple one would be amazing too. So definitely do that if you're going to use pineapple. It would be harder to get the core out though and then pour it back in. You'd have to have one of those like core things. I don't have one of those. This is amazing. I'm going to pour this in a cup with some ice and finish it because I can't take this into my bed like this. It's going to spill everywhere. That's it for this video, guys. I just want to do some quick and healthy treats for Stampede. It's definitely for kids. Kids love candy apples, so this is definitely a family-friendly one. Make this for some kids. And if you don't want this to be family friendly, if you added some vodka into this, I don't drink anymore, I don't have a gallbladder, but for all you drinkers out there, if you stuck vodka in this and stuck some ice, it would be amazing. This is so good. Yum. So these are amazing, and I'm going to go and transfer this into a cup and drink it in my bed, and I'm going to wrap this up and eat it tomorrow. So definitely don't forget to floss your teeth after this one, because your dentist is going to be loving you. Let me take one more sip. I am trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so if you could share this video with your friends in Calgary or somebody who loves the Calgary Stampede and is missing it this year. I'll see you guys tomorrow to continue this series. Bye, guys.
Wish we could fly away.